Look who it is, back with my boy Tim and Levi.
We about to do something crazy right now.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Back on another mission. I got my boy Levi and Tim following me. Levi is about to go pick up his fourth little project. So I have no idea what it is. He's like, yo, I need the truck. I was like, all right, say less, we out here. So let's go pick up this thing, see what he's working with. Another Facebook find, you know. So let's see what it is. We gotta find out together.
You about to be on the vlog? Say what up?
Yeah, man. What's up, bro? Lee, what's going on, bro? Here, bro. Here.
Oh, you got to
pick up those plastics.
That's like crazy.
Ooh.
Oh, you just gave up on this shit? Yeah. You got the other cover? Hell no.
Oh, that piston's toast. How'd you blow it up?
It's stuck on there. I tried putting it on, and it just got stuck on there.
Yeah.
When you like kick it a little, like the case, it'll start like falling off. That's why I gave up. I was like, I'm not about to spend 200, break it, gotta spend another 200.
Yeah, so you don't have a Zolsant for it?
No, I don't. It rusted out, so I just took it off. It had like a big hole in it.
That one runs?
That one, that one needs a starter. I have a part in the back that goes where the aerator goes.
Too. It's your favorite.
Aerator.
It ain't my favorite.
It has a new carb on it too.
What is this? You said it's a Keyway?
Yeah, Keyway Matrix.
Yeah, I don't mess with the China scooters too much. But like the gas cap, fire. Okay.
I like the rims, I ain't gonna front.
Yeah, the rims are dope.
Bigger than mine. I got 12s? No, I got 10s, right?
Oh shit, these are 12s.
To be honest, I'm just trying to get rid of this one. Even if I get 50 out of it, I'll do it.
I'll give you half that.
That's straight.
All right, bet.
There you go. Yo.
Okay, alright.
Getting both.
Look.
Now, I got no space in my garage. I just got a car.
You give it on a scooter?
Yeah.
Yo, you gonna regret it, bro.
Man, I'll probably buy a dirt bike once I start working more.
I got you.
And how much you asking for this one?
I'll do 300 if you don't want to do 350. It's up to you.
I got 300 for you.
You're
a nice kid, man. You see? I ain't have to even lowball you. Free for that. And how much is this one?
25.
Appreciate you guys, bro.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Load this thing up.
Y'all work on 4-strokes too?
Everything, bro.
Alright, when I get more mopeds, because I usually get them around, I'll let you know. I'll text you.
Say less.
Yeah, let me to YouTube. I'll check it out.
Yeah, no doubt. Appreciate you guys. We just started.
We just legit started, bro.
So,
that's straight. I'll put people on. Y'all show tutorials and stuff.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, man.
That's what I need. I've been working on these motors for like 2 years already. The only thing I still don't know how to do is take that piston, the clips off, put it back on.
Well, you about to learn. Yo, this is crazy.
Came one, got two.
All right, we'll catch you guys when we load this thing up. We need all hands on deck. You guys got to see this.
Okay, but work like a charm. Work like a charm, baby.
You ain't think we can do it? So I don't think they thought we can do it.
Nah, we do this, boy.
So we got these things offloaded. So what is this, bro?
50cc rough house.
Genuine rough house. It's definitely genuinely rough. I mean, but it's all there, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
It's just missing that one plastic.
Yo, even the CVT cover got a case breather in it. Yo, honestly, this looks like it's a little bit more put together than the Minarellis. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look, inside the head. Got the Reese pointing straight into there.
You can see that, but yeah, we'll definitely take it apart and show them that. But yeah, I definitely like the way this intake is set up. It's already rear facing, right?
Yeah.
We literally have to buy another.
Oh snap! Yeah, I just noticed that.
It's rear facing already, so you put some big carburetor up there.
Yeah, that's the problem I have with the SR. I had to cut them out.
So what's the plan for it?
Something like
Guarantee
65 to max. That's it.
I guarantee we get this thing running right now, though. If we get spark, we get this thing running right now. I think I got a whole cylinder. I think I got a whole top end in the back already. If you're looking for some keyway parts, hit us up. Because we're not keeping this. I'm about to let Levi and Tim take a ride on the water cool.
Daddy out. You like that?
Oh no. Yeah.
I like it. This is with the shaved what is it, the variator?
Yeah, with the variator.
What's up, bro?
I think we started this thing at what we went 34, 35
Yeah, it
miles per hour?
was the first video you said 35. I remember I was watching it this morning. Oh, my bad.
We do 40 on the nose now with me on it. So with you two, that shit gotta do 100.
Boy, stop it.
Boy, do work.
Oh, jackpot.
Tools. Hitting it with the hammer anyway. The whole top is cracked. All those fins are broke. Oh my god, he didn't even put a bearing in there.
Right off.
He said, yeah, I just don't know how to do
Feel
it.
how heavy that is.
Yeah, this is heavy. Yeah, this one's way lighter.
He forgot the bearing. There's no bearing. There's no bearing in here. My man had no, I just wanted to do this before we took it off. Look at no bearing in there. He said, I don't know why I keep blowing up these heads. Look at this piston though. Those rings are toast.
Then he was running, he had, I don't know.
That piston's new.
No, but he was hitting it with something. That's not a spark plug, Mark.
No, he was definitely.
Oh, you know what he was probably doing? Because he couldn't get it off? Hitting it with a flathead.
Now we can see if it spins over nicely. You want to grab the piston? I mean the connector rod? What was that?
Oh, part of the piston.
Bro, did that just come out of the motor?
This could, oh, you know what? This is from the cylinder.
I know, but I think that just came out of the head. I mean, out of the block. Bro, you know what? Let's just pull this bolt. We'll take the whole motor out. It's just one bolt.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
What's up?
You kidding me?
I don't know if I said this before. This is extremely heavy. I don't understand why is it so heavy. It weighs maybe like, it probably weighs a couple, like maybe at least 1 or 2 pounds heavier than this one, easily. This thing is heavy and it's missing a third of it, so go figure. I'm gonna clean out this head. I'm going to do a little trick. I'm gonna fill it up with gasoline a few times. I'm gonna just rinse it out, and then I'm just gonna keep dumping it out, and then hopefully I can clean the inside of this good enough where we can just slap a ZUMA top end on it and get this thing started, because I really don't want to put too much, well, I don't know about him, but I wouldn't put too much money into this. At the end of the day, this is his build. I'm gonna let him do what he wants, but I'm gonna clean it up for him and send it. So let's get started. Fill that up. Where's my bucket? This thing sucks already. Let's just spin this around a few times. I kind of want to get a plastic bucket so you guys can actually see how dirty this is. We're just gonna do that a few times. Oh my god. Nice and slow. It's a lot better. Oh, before that, look at that. Look how dirty that was. In there. Let's see it, how dirty that was. Alright guys, so I cleaned up that motor a lot. Levi just got here, day 2 on this thing. Remember that other bike that we picked up? I ended up taking the wheel off of it, and this thing fits perfectly up here. So actually we're gonna take the wheels off that other piece of crap that we got for 25 bucks and put them on this. The grime is off of it, so now we're just gonna put it outside, turn on the power washer, really make it shine.
Rip some of these lights off of this thing.
I'll set you guys up for a little time lapse. Much better. Look at that thing. Got the new 12s on there. This thing's all shiny. That's amazing right there. That's the money shot. There we go.
I have no idea.
Put that front wheel on?
Yeah, matter of fact. Is that rotor? Yeah, that rotor is pretty small, bro.
We'll make it work. Have it, guys. That looks amazing. That looks sweet. This thing has to go to the bulk trash. Here you have it, guys. Got the 12-inch rims off of the keyway matrix, fitted on this rough house. This was complete trial and error. If you can tell, we were trying to put the lower half of actually we were trying just to put the shocks on the stock roughhouse triple tree, but we actually had to change the whole triple tree because these are way smaller. So we changed the lower half of the triple tree. We got everything up there to work, besides the front brake caliper is different, so we need the one from the keyway. So that's it. We'll just find that. We'll either have to hit up eBay or Amazon or something. We'll find that, but other than that, this thing is complete. I'm very surprised that all this worked, but it really did. Like I said before, this is all trial and error based. Look at that motor. That motor is spotless now. Super clean. Definitely a clean base to start with. I got high hopes for this build. This is going to be a fun bike. That thing looks awesome.